We're with DD again! It's crazy. We're gonna, okay. My presents from them, I got gold mirror blocks. DD got silver. They're gonna rip this open! Got you. He got it. I got one such a. That was easy for you. Yeah, there we go. We got the bro pack for Rubik's Cube. Garbage.
Speaking of garbage, look what it came with.
Yeah, I know. Look at this, guys. Okay, let's try to turn it. Wow. Very loose. Garbage and garbage.
Wow.
We got the screwdriver.
If this is really all you wanted,
Then
wouldn't it have been cheaper to
glue.
just buy this?
No. And then
I'm gonna just spray this.
No. That's gonna waste a lot of glue. And a little instruction. Oh, it's taped. Taped.
Mirror blocks is awesome.
Yeah, fun.
Changes shapes.
Oh.
Oh, show them the.
I think that's.
Show them the dots pattern on the.
Oh, watch.
You can do it.
Very nice. Okay, ready? So I'm gonna start. This is what you can do if you do the dot and this line center pattern. So you can like connect them, which is awesome. There's connected.
Here, I'll show you.
They're awesome.
Connect them. You gotta get it.
And then
Longest and
random instructions. That's it.
wait, no, not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
Still want to finish
It's almost
this.
done.
Finish this.
You get these little like tile thingies. Oh, put your screwdriver right there. Pop these off.
Okay, so it's not strong enough.
That's where you tension it.
Oh wait, let me see how easy it is to pop these off.
You use something else. You use a
This
screwdriver.
is not very much lube.
Yeah, I know. But don't waste it, please.
I am not.
So yeah.
Oh,
keep
the
calm.
technical term for this is
Silicone.
silicone lube.
Okay.
Oh, polydimethyl What's that?
Okay. So keep calm and keep on. Bye.
Wow. Okay. We're out.
I'm trying, your phone won't tap.
Face on top.
I'm serious, your phone won't tap anymore. And it won't turn off.
We're out. You don't see us.
You don't see.
It stopped recording, but like it's frozen, like watch.
Let me see it.
Alright, let's go outside and climb that base.
Wait, Didi. Or?
You don't use the stands?
Yeah, I do. I use the stand.
Whoa, this is really good for Rubik's.
I know.
Wait, let me see.
Really good for Rubik's brand.
Considering it's a Rubik's brand, it's really good.
Hey, Didi. You want to help me?
I should tension my mirror blocks.
Yeah, I know. That we're
Make it looser. Not tighter, looser. Oh, wow, you can come off that easily? What if I put these onto my custom cube? Could I have all the centers be silver? Though it's kind of like a V cube.
The V?
Void cube, I mean.
Ooh, void cube.
Oh, shit.